coffee shops, work, or home. These areas are common for people using Wi-Fi. But free internet is never really free. Your data is constantly being sold to third parties who will target ads to you, and with the internet being so-called free, it's getting easier and easier for unwanted hackers to gain access to private information. That's where a VPN, or a virtual private network, can help keep you secure online. It's time for a deep dive on VPNs. VPNs set out to accomplish one main goal: to keep your information secure. One example would be this. Let's say that you're searching for Instagram. The URL for Instagram seems to just be instagram.com, but really, that's the domain name. Hidden inside of that domain name lies the IP address for that website. The IP address is sent to an internet server where the website you want to go to is sent back over to your computer or other internet device. When you send out that IP address too, you are also giving away a lot of other information, including your location. But with a VPN, you can log on to a server in any country that is available. For example, let's say that you're at a restaurant and you sign into their public Wi-Fi to check your bank account. Someone else who is logged onto that network with a computer can get your password that you just signed into your bank account with. When you use a VPN though, you're logged onto another server around the world that you can choose from. Then the VPN server creates another IP address to send out to the website you wanted to visit. You may also know about websites collecting data about your identity and other sensitive information to sell to advertisers. When on a VPN though, information that you send online will be sent through a virtual tunnel that protects your data even if someone gets a hold of it. This doesn't guarantee that no one will be able to hack into the tunnel. However, it will be much harder than using public Wi-Fi. There are also some other benefits of using a VPN. One of them is that you can change your server location. For example, let's say you are on vacation in France and you can't access your Spotify music because it's restricted in your area. With a VPN, you can make Spotify think you're in America, where the service is fine to use. Another advantage of using VPNs is that most VPN companies have a no-log policy. If for any reason someone wanted to retrieve your browser history, it won't be possible because none of your data is being logged. Also, if a company tries to request your IP address to track your location, they won't be able to if you're using a VPN, because the IP address is coming from the VPN server. VPNs are great for keeping your privacy and personal information safe while surfing the web. In the description, I'll leave a link to a few places where you can sign up to get a VPN. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.